Hello, my people. How are you, everybody? Is your one and only sister AB Media. AB Media. I hope you guys are doing well today. How is everything? How is your family? My new subscribers, God bless you. My old subscribers, God bless you. This is your one and only sister, AB Media. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for everything you guys are doing for me. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you. More blessings to you guys. So today, don't mind me, I just bring about our Nigerian topic today because of our leaders, what our leaders say, the Nigerian leaders. I don't know what is happening in Nigeria. I don't know what see they happen for Nigeria. Make I dey knack am make una dey understand am. Wetin dey happen for Nigeria? All this Hausa Fulani. I don't know what is happening. And see what is happening in Owerri. See what is happening in Yoruba land. And nobody is talking about it. All these governors, presidents, they don't even care about us. They don't even care about anything. I don't know. You cannot sleep freely in your house, in your home. People that say our mothers, our fathers in the village, everybody, when you're sleeping with one eyes. You cannot sleep well. I don't know what is happening, and the thing is disturbing me so badly. Because even though we are living in outside country, we have to have feeling our own brothers, our sisters, our mothers in the village. They cannot go farm. They cannot go anywhere. They cannot go farm. They cannot do anything. They cannot go for string, for inside, even to take wood. They cannot go to farm. I don't know why. Eh? Fulani people are disturbing every day and night. Problem from one problem to another, from one problem to another. It's not by force to come to someone's side. When somebody is telling you, I don't want you in this side, you go to your side. You don't have to come. And I don't like what our Nigerians, I don't know why our governors, they don't want to do anything. Igbo's governors, they don't even care. Because of money, a lot of them, because of they are giving them money, they don't even care whether people exist or whether they are people die, whether people is gone. They don't care about it. They just care about their family. Because their family is not there. They are taking all their family outside country. How about the poor ones? As a leader, you have to lead very well. It's not that you don't care about people. So people that vote you in inside where they are voting, they vote you in. You cannot even care about them at all. You don't even bother about them. You just bother about yourself, thinking about your family, taking all the money in your pocket. You cannot even do work. No good road, no lights. When you go to Nigeria, you will see a lot of generator. Through or every house you have a generator. You cannot sleep well in the night because there is no light. Either you have lister, either you have lister and or generator, you on. I pass my neighbor, everybody. So I don't know what is happening in Nigeria. And the thing is disturbing me so bad. I don't know. I don't know it's disturbing another person the way it disturbed me. Because he cannot go to farm. Our own farm will be seeing you when you go to farm, everybody is free. You just go and take some fresh air, do some work in your farm, arrange your farm, you understand, put your ugu, all this vegetable, corn, fresh corn. You cannot do it again because you will be scared. You can just there, all this Fulani, they will just come there. And nobody, when you're shouting, nobody can hear you. Nobody can help you. The person, before you know, they will say the person is gone. Before you know, they will say the person is already gone. Before you know, they will say the person is gone. Before you know, they will say the person is everything is gone. You understand? They cannot help. They cannot do anything. No security, no good security in Nigeria. Is why the thing is paining me. They don't even care about our family. They don't even care about our mothers. They don't even care. There's not a lot of graduates in Nigeria, but there's no job. There's no single job. No single job. And our governors, our president, they don't even care whether it exist, whether it would exist, whether anything, whether they don't even care. They just care about that money and putting in their pocket is what they like. Wear 1,500 that their clothes. They don't even care about people. And all these things don't make sense. It's not making sense at all. We have to stand up for ourselves. You have to stand up for everybody. Have to stand up. When you really lead that, you have to read very well for people. It's people that vote you in inside there. You're not just the one that puts yourself there. It's people that vote you in. It's people that vote you in there. Nobody. You cannot. You not just put yourself there. Now people now vote you in. They have to work the work for the people. Care about people. You know, even they don't even get human sympathy at all. I don't know where. Sometimes I understand that Nigerian government, the problem they have so much is that I think they take oaths or they are in something called, I don't know, but it's what I think. When they are good when they are looking for the to enter there, but when they after the election they will turn to tiger. They will change. Even one naira you cannot see for their hands. One B you cannot see for their hands. They cannot even remember the people that vote them there. They are just eating the money and they forget the people that even vote them. They don't even care about those people. They don't bother about them. So it's why I'm talking about all this thing. This thing is disturbing me. The thing is disturbing me so bad. And I'm feeling pains. And because I'm feeling for our families in Africa. I feel for our mothers. I feel for our fathers. And this is very, very wrong. So I was so disturbed. Don't mind me. I was so disturbed, and the thing is so pain. And I don't know it's pain now on other people, but for me, when you go to Nigeria, there's no lights, no good roads, and if where there is rain, the rain will be disturbing people. No good roads. You will stay here outside. Even the road, you see very deeper when you carry your motor. You see deeper, deeper. The gallop, gallop, where you go, they hear bam, 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 jumping up, jumping down, and which is very wrong. And people don't care. All those leaders, they don't care about us. They don't even care about anybody's way. Anybody vote them in. Please, if you're a leader, learn how to lead very well. All this Fulani that is going around, our governors will never sit down and think about it. And think about our mothers. Think about the people that stay in the village where they don't have anything. They don't have anybody to fight for them. You people don't think. You're thinking about yourself, thinking about money. You people don't care about anything. And which is so wrong, guys. It's not good. You have to care about people when you are a leader. Nigerian leaders, I don't know what is wrong with you people. You think about your money, you think about your pocket, you think about what you have. All these things, one day you are going to leave it and go. And no one can when anything happens to you, they cannot take all those properties to you. Never, you can never carry and go. Everything will just gone. Only you. So think about that. When you're being a leader, it's people that vote you in. You have to do your job. Do your job very well. Please, is why the thing is disturbing me. Is why I say I want to speak about it. So Nigerian leaders, you have to have get woman sympathy now. No be blood there on our body. Not that they get woman sympathy. And what I just say make I. If you never subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? AB Media, guys. Subscribe and like. God bless you all. Bye bye.